Have you ever wondered if bigger animals automatically have bigger brains? I mean, think about it. Does a huge elephant have a giant brain just because it's a giant animal? It kind of makes sense, right? A bigger body probably needs a bigger command center to run the whole operation. But is that always how it works?
Well, for the most part, yeah. The answer's a big yes.
There's a cool sciencey term for this. It's called a positive association. It's super simple. It just means that as one thing gets bigger, the other thing tends to get bigger right along with it. You know what? Let's actually see this in action. We're going to throw some animals on a chart and see what happens. Okay, first up, let's take a cow. Based on its body weight and its brain weight, its little data point goes right there. All right, now let's add an animal that's a bit bigger, like a horse. And look at that. Its dot is higher and further to the right. See that pattern? Bigger body, bigger brain. So if we did this for a whole bunch of different animals, we'd start to see a really clear trend emerge. We can actually draw a line, kind of like this, to show the general rule. Okay, but now for the million-dollar question. What about us? Where do humans land on this chart? So, what do you think? Do we fall right on that line with all the other animals? Or are we, somewhere else entirely? Lock in your guess, A or B. All right, you got your answer? Let's find out in 3, 2, 1. Whoa! If you guessed B, you are absolutely right. And it's not even a little bit off. For our body size, our brains are gigantic. We are way, way, way off the chart. So yeah, to put it mildly, we are a huge exception to the rule. And in the world of data, there's a special name for a point like ours. It's called an outlier. It's literally the data point that breaks the pattern. And that's the really cool takeaway here. When you're looking at data, don't just focus on the stuff that follows the rules. Sometimes the most interesting part of the whole story is the one thing that doesn't fit in at all.